Happy Tuesday! We are back again. Now, usually when a rapper talks about signing papers, we're thinking record deals or maybe a sneaker collab. But Reason? He's signing a different kind of NDA. Word on the podcast street is that Reason dropped a bombshell. Apparently, Luthando Lootlove Shosha has him under a legal vow of silence, as in, don't mention my name, don't look at my name, don't even think about my name on a public platform. Honestly, in a world where oversharing is a career path, Lootlove is out here playing 4D chess. She didn't just leave the chat, she deleted the chat history and blocked the server. Now, for those of you who weren't around for the Sizway and Luthando era, they were the IT couple. The aesthetic was top tier, but as the old saying goes, the higher the Instagram likes, the harder the fall. They share twins, but the streets and the interviews suggest the breakup wasn't exactly conscious uncoupling. It was more like a you stay over there and I'll stay over here and do all the work uncoupling. And look, we have to talk about the pattern. Reason has, how do I put this politely, a very high fertility rate and a very low staying rate. We're talking about a man with more baby mamas than a mid-2000s reality show. If dating him was a sport, the trophy is apparently a solo trip to the Home Affairs office. Reason calls it shady or bad luck. I call it consequences. When you have a track record of leaving women to do the heavy lifting while you're out here being a creative, eventually someone is going to bring a lawyer into the mix. Lootlove basically said, I can't stop you from making life choices, but I can stop you from using my brand to explain them. It's the ultimate power move. It's not even no comment. It's you are legally prohibited from commenting. That's not just a breakup. That's a witness protection program for her peace of mind. Is it harsh? Maybe. Is it necessary? Well, when the history book is this messy, sometimes you just have to burn the book and sue anyone who tries to rewrite it. But I want to know what you guys think. Is a mandatory silence clause the new standard for celebrity breakups? Or is Reason just the poster child for why these documents exist? Drop a comment, keep it civil, unlike this breakup, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.